Hi, Lillard.
I need to go look in the mirror.
Why? There's a mirror right back there.
There's a what?
A mirror right there at the door. Hello. Hello.
Wait, are we
Where's Loki?
supposed to have like a bag or something?
No, you guys have to find your basket.
Find the basket.
They're in the living
They're
room.
all in the
They're only in the living room.
Get him.
And you don't tear shit up.
And you have to have it has to have your name on it.
Who's that?
The easiest one.
Look at the ear of the bunny and see if it's your name.
This is Louie's.
No, leave it there. Hide it back so he doesn't know it's his. Good job. Keep looking for yours, Loke.
Loki. Loki.
No, it's in the living room, Lay.
I know, I was looking at
Okay.
Yeah, that's your eyes.
You found it, Loki. Good job.
Now lilies. Where would lilies be?
Yeah, that's your book too.
Think.
Ooh.
You want to blow it up for him?
You want me to blow that up?
Layla found her.
Wait, this is going with it?
An empty gum wrapper?
Where would lilies be? Oh!
Oh, it's so cute.
You're the last one, Lou.
Yay!
Yay!
Hey, a little help! I help you, yay!
Loki will help you.
Never mind, I got it.
One-armed bandit will help you.
I don't want help from
Heavy
you.
on the bandit.
Did you get a bunny?
No, that was hard.